Nice and lovely day, everyone. This is Teacher Jera from Camglish.com. Let's learn English grammar in a fun and convenient way through studying the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. For today, we will deal with new topic, and it's under Unit 91. We will discuss the word enough. So what do you think about this word? For today, we will learn how this word is important in learning English grammar. So, what are we waiting for? Let's now begin. When we say the word enough, we mean quantifier. So what is a quantifier? Quantifier is a word used to state the quantity or amount of something. Okay, did you get that? And quantifiers answer the questions how many and how much. Okay, so the word enough is also a degree modifier. It means that the word enough modifies an adjective or an adverb, and it normally comes after the adjective or the adverb. Let's have sample sentences. I've only got £3. Not enough for a taxi. Okay, so here enough is stating the quantity of the money. Okay, so it means not enough. So £3 is not enough to ride a taxi. Did you get that? Now let's move on to another sentence here. She isn't going to take a taxi. She hasn't got enough money. Okay, so how much money does she have? So she hasn't got enough money. So it quantifies, right? The amount of money that the girl has. Now let's proceed to the next sentence. He can't reach the shelf. He isn't tall enough. Okay? So as what I've said before, the word enough normally comes after the adjective, right? Which is tall, okay? Now, let's have more sample sentences wherein the word enough modifies an adjective or an adverb, okay? Let's make sentences. Let's all together read the sample sentence that I made. You are not old enough to become a grandmother. So in this sentence, the word enough modifies the word old, which is an adjective, okay? So how about you? What is your sample sentence for the word enough? Oh, that's a very good sentence. Now let's proceed to the rules that we are going to use when constructing a sentence using the word enough, okay? Because we have so many rules in making those sentences, okay? The first one is the form enough plus noun, like the samples enough money and enough people. So in this case, enough stands as quantifiers, okay? Because it is used to state quantity or amount of something without stating the actual number, okay? So let's have the sample sentences. For number 1, is there enough milk in your coffee? Yes, thank you. So the word enough here answers how much milk does it have in the coffee, okay? So now let's go to sentence number 2. We wanted to play football, but we didn't have enough players. So how many players are there in your football team? So they don't have enough players. That's why they can play football, okay? Now let's proceed to the third sentence. Why don't you buy a car? You've got enough money. So how much money does that person have? Okay, so that person has enough money. Okay, remember that form, okay? Enough plus noun. Like enough milk. Milk is the noun. Enough players. Players is the noun. And enough money. Money is the noun, okay? Next form is enough without a noun. So we can use enough without a noun if the meaning is clear, okay? Let's have the sentences. I've got some money, but not enough to buy a car. In this sentence, the word enough is referring to the word money. So we use it so not to repeat the words, right? Instead of saying, I've got some money, but not enough money to buy a car, right? So, I need more money to buy a car. It's like saying that one, okay? Now, let's proceed to the second sentence. Would you like some more to eat? No, thanks. I've had enough. So, what do you think is the word enough referring to? Very good. The word enough here is referring to the word eat, okay? Some more to eat. Now let's have the third sentence. You're always at home. You don't go out enough. Okay, so instead of saying you're always at home and you don't go out of your house or of your home, we can just say you don't go out enough. Okay, so again, remember the usage of enough. First, enough means sufficient or as much or many as necessary. Also, it serves as quantifiers which are used to state quantity or amount of something without stating the actual number. And it answers the questions how many and how much. And it is also used to avoid repetition of words, okay? So I hope the lesson for today is clear to you. Again, this is Teacher Jara from Camglish.com. I hope you will visit our website and you will enroll in our classes. So see you in our next video. Bye-bye!